Hey there! So, imagine this common problem. You define a class, set a value, and then when you try to access it, all you get is an F followed by a bunch of hex digits. Frustrating, right? This is exactly the issue our programmer friend encountered while working on a hyperskill assignment. Let's dive into how they tackle this problem step by step. In the solution provided, a crucial insight was shared. Only a data class automatically gets the toString, hashCode, and equals methods. The initial classes were not data classes, so they defaulted to the plain old Java toString method, which printed the class name and hashCode. To solve this, a manual override of the toString method was implemented for the SIF class. By doing this, now when the toString method is called, only the name is returned, providing a cleaner output for SIF instances. Continuing with the solution, another approach was suggested. Instead of manually overriding the toString method, the classes could be converted into data classes. However, data classes don't always integrate smoothly with inheritance. In this scenario, where only the name is shared from the base class, making the classes data classes and duplicating the name attribute was a viable option. This resulted in a more concise and informative output when printing the characters, with the names and relevant details displayed clearly. In the final part of the solution, the importance of customizing the toString method was underlined. By crafting a toString method that includes specific values, the output becomes more descriptive and tailored to the programmer's needs. This final touch enhanced the readability and usability of the program, providing a streamlined way to access and display the character information. To wrap it up, by implementing these adjustments to the classes and toString methods, our programmer successfully resolved the issue of retrieving values that were previously displayed as hex digits. Remember, a little customization can go a long way in improving the clarity and functionality of your code. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your favorite programming joke. See you next time.